My name is Attorney Brian Fitz. I've been helping injured workers for years. Today I'm here to talk about the 3 things you must do if you're injured on the job. The first thing you must do if you're injured on a job is report your injury immediately. Typically that requires you reporting your injury to your supervisor, and you should also report it to the HR department. Now, certain businesses make you sign paperwork that require you to report your injury to what's called an injury hotline. It's typically a 1-800 number where you're supposed to report your injury. Now, when you report your injury to your manager or supervisor, ask them what the hotline number is. I strongly recommend you report your injury in writing. And it can be via text, it can be via email, but you definitely want to have documentation. And when you do report your injury to your manager, say, is there anybody else I need to report it to? We've had cases before where people have gotten into a pickle with their employers, where the employers don't want to pay for the compensation for the injuries or for the medical care because they say they didn't report it timely. Some companies create a system to where it's almost impossible for you. They want you to report the injury within 24 hours. So when in doubt, report the injury immediately. Second thing you must do if you're injured on the job is seek medical treatment immediately. Your employer should have what's called an occupational therapy clinic or an occupational injury clinic where they can send you to get checked out. When you go there, make sure you tell them exactly what happened and what hurts and what you think is injured. Keep in mind, these doctors and these PAs are typically, they're paid by the company, so their job is to get you back to work. So if you go in there and you're reporting a certain back or neck or some injury that definitely hurts or is more uncomfortable than they're trying to make you feel it should be, you need to get a second opinion. If your employer won't give you a second opinion, you can go get a second opinion through your own doctor and use your health insurance if you have it. If you don't know where to turn, give us a call. We can help you out. We've helped injured workers get the best medical care for years. The last thing you must do if you're injured on the job is request your employer to put you on light duty work. You may be in a situation to where you're uncomfortable lifting or carrying or doing what you're required to do day in, day out. They should put you on light duty work, and you should make sure that your light duty work is not exceeding your doctor's orders. For example, if they tell you you're on light duty and you shouldn't lift 25 pounds and they're asking you to carry around things that weigh 50 or 75 pounds, you need to speak up to your supervisor and lodge this complaint in writing. So hopefully you're never injured at work, but if you are, those are the 3 things you absolutely must do. In certain circumstances, you can be treated under the workers' compensation program. In certain circumstances, you can be treated under an injury benefit plan. That is a very confusing thing for injured workers because the companies don't tell you exactly how it works, and your rights are very different under both plans. So if you are injured at work, do these 3 things, and please contact our office for a free confidential consultation so we can explain to you your rights. 1-800-99-FITS. Thank you.